This is an ultra-metro fresh fire truck Kiddie ride. And for some reason I have a 3PO on it. I'm not sure why. Yeah, I'll get 3 goes surprisingly. I'm not sure why. Yeah, Sweeney's over there, but unfortunately the motor's not moving now. I'm not sure why. Yeah, but ultra-metro is 2003. I don't know the license. You should be doing this because I've got 3 go on it. To be honest. There's some kids here, but they can't wait. To be honest. The motor display works completely fine. I've got my bag there, if you're wondering. Yeah, there's post pat over there. Yeah, the console does still work on Sweeney's, it's just the motor's not moving now on Sweeney's. They do need to sort it out. Yeah, there's Fred there, Fireman Fred 0213 on there. It's always going to be quite busy here, to be honest. I bet this might give me 2 rides. Steering wheel. The first mat's got a trap mode. For some reason, there's a yellow button. It was meant to be red there. Yeah, I'll get another go for some reason. Okay, we'll try. Yeah. I'll get another go for some reason. 2 goes, surprisingly. Yeah, fire department it says there. Yeah, I think one of the Porter's Park is gone. I'm not sure. I believe it is. Yeah, one of the car machines will go on other trap modes. Yeah, there's camera van over there. I don't know why they're putting it on there for some reason. Maybe it's to stop wobbling or something. This one ain't wobbling or anything, to be honest. Like, I'm going to be honest here. And of course the lights don't flash on the front. Yeah, first one's got other trap modes. See Fred there. The dog named Fred. Yeah.
That one.
That was it. That was the ultra-metro fresh fire truck Kiddie ride.